In lands where rivers weave through time, two nations stand, their hearts entwined. India, Pakistan, born of one, yet shadows clash beneath the sun. From mountains high to plains below, their voices rise, their passions flow. A border drawn, a scar of years, divides their hopes, ignites their fears. The cricket fields, the battles roar, the anthem sung, the crowds that soar. Yet in their strife, a truth remains. Their roots are shared, their joys, their pains. Souls, its waters sing of dreams made whole. Let swords be sheathed, let hands unite, for peace to dawn where stars burn bright. Two flags may wave, may call, but love could rise to heal it all. India, Pakistan, let go the fight and build a future warm with light. The cricket fields, the battles roar, the anthem sung, the crowds that soar.